Hi everyone, this is Irene. I hope all are safe and healthy at home. Home, stay safe and stay connected with us. We welcome you all to celebrate the joy of learning at Vidyalakshmi Senior Secondary School. In my previous videos, you have learned about the class 11 computer science topics, Introduction to Python, keywords, identifiers, literals or values, the tokens, and in this video, we will learn about the other tokens, operators and punctuators of Python. Let us begin now. Let us learn what are operators. Operators are the tokens that trigger some computation or action when applied to the variables and other objects in an expression. These operators are normally one of the tokens of Python. They are normally the symbols. When they are applied to the variables or other objects in an expression, they trigger some computation or it triggers some action. So, some action takes place when these operators are applied on the variables and other objects. So, these are referred as the operators of Python. When it comes to Python, it provides two kinds of operators. They are unary operators and binary operators. Let us learn what are unary operators. Unary operators are those operators that require only one operand to operate upon. If an operator requires only one operand to operate upon, they are referred as the unary operators. For example, you can see unary plus, unary minus, bitwise complement and logical negation. Some of the unary operators are given here. I will explain some of the operators, and in this video, we will be learning what are the operators provided by Python. But the working of all these operators will be covered in the coming videos. Now let us see what is unary plus. So here this plus operator, it acts as a unary operator because it is applied on only one operand. Here number 5 is an operand. This plus operator, it is applied on only one operand. That's why this is referred as the unary plus and also an unary operator. Same as we have unary minus, you can see when the unary minus symbol, when it is applied to only one operand, then it becomes an unary operator. Same as we have bitwise complement as well as logical negation operators also. These operators, all these operators are referred as the unary operators of Python. Same as we have binary operators also. Binary operators are those operators that require two operands to operate upon. If an operator requires two operands to operate upon, they are referred as the binary operators. Let us see some examples for these binary operators. Here you can see 2 plus 4 is given. In this, the symbol plus is referred as an operator. This plus symbol requires before and after the operator two operands it requires. Before and after the operator plus symbol, it requires two operands to operate upon, because here this plus symbol is referred as an addition symbol. So, this addition symbol requires before the addition symbol and after the addition symbol, it requires two operands to operate upon. That's why this is referred as the binary operators. Same as we have lot of other binary operators. In this session, we are going to learn what are the binary operators provided by Python. Let us begin now. We have arithmetic operators. All these arithmetic operators are referred as the binary operators of Python. So, let us learn what are the operators provided by Python programming language. We have the addition operator, the plus symbol as an addition operator. This is the binary operator. So, before the plus symbol and after the plus symbol, it requires two operands. That's why this is referred as the binary operator of Python. Same as we have subtraction operator, the minus symbol, this is referred as a subtraction operator. This asterisk, so that is referred as the multiplication operator. This forward symbol is referred as the division operator. This percentage symbol is referred as the modulus operator of Python. This double asterisk symbol is referred as the exponent of Python. This two forward slashes, they are referred as the floor division symbol of Python. So, we can see these are the arithmetic operators provided by Python programming language. All these arithmetic operators are the binary operators of Python programming language. Now let us move on to the next operator, bitwise operators. So when it comes to bitwise operator, we have AND, XOR and OR operator. The single AND symbol is referred as bitwise AND. The cap symbol is referred as bitwise exclusive OR and the pipe symbol is referred as bitwise OR. These are the bitwise operators. They are the binary operators provided by Python programming language. And all these workings we will be learning in the coming videos. Now let us move on to the next operators. They are shift operators. These shift operators are shift left and shift right. So these two operators are provided as the shift operators of Python. Let us move on to the next operator, identity operator. Is and is not are provided as the identity operators of Python. Let us see what is the purpose of is and is not. This is operator checks is the identity same. And all these two operators are the binary operators, and also the operator is not checks whether is the identity not same. So these are the identity operators provided by Python. Let us move on to the next operator. They are relational operators. The relational operators are also referred as comparison operators. So here we have the first relational operator as greater than, next one as less than. The next symbol is greater than or equal to, and the next symbol is less than or equal to, and double equal to is referred as equal to symbol when it comes to the relational operators, and the exclamatory sign and equal to is referred as not equal to. So these are the relational operators provided by Python. These are one of the tokens of Python. Now let us move on to the next operator. They are logical operators. Here we have AND, OR and NOT. In these three operators, and OR are the binary operators and NOT is an unary operator. As we have learned, NOT works upon only one operand, and as well as OR operators, they work upon two operands. That's why and OR are the binary operators and NOT is an unary operator. So you can see the AND operator, it just represents logical AND, the OR operator represents the logical OR, and the NOT operator represents the logical NOT. These are the logical operators of Python. Now let us move on to the next operator, that is single equal to. This single equal to is referred as the assignment operator. So it assigns the values or whatever expression it has on the right hand side, it assigns to the variable on the left hand side. That's why this is referred as an assignment operator. So we can see this is an assignment operator, and the next operator is the membership operators. These membership operators are in and not in. Let us see what is the purpose of in and not in. This in operator checks whether the given variable is present in the sequence or not. And same as the not in operator checks whether the given variable not in the sequence or not. So these are the membership operators provided by Python. So now let us move on to the next operator. These are arithmetic assignment operators. These are also called as augmented assignment operators or compound arithmetic assignment operators. Now let us see what are the operators given here. This plus equal to assigns the sum to the variable. The minus equal to assigns the difference to the variable. Multiplication equal to assigns product to the variable. Division equal to assigns the quotient to the variable. Modulus equal to that assigns remainder to the variable. Exponent equal to that assigns the exponent to the variable, and then floor division equal to assigns the floor division to the variable. So these are the arithmetic assignment operators of Python. So we have come to the end of this session. We have learned about all the operators, unary and binary operators provided by Python. The next token of this video session is punctuators. So we have to learn about punctuators. So let us learn what are punctuators. Punctuators are symbols that are used in a programming language to organize the sentence structure and also to indicate the rhythm and emphasis of expressions, statements and program structure. So punctuators are just normal symbols. They are used in a programming language to organize the sentence structure. And also these are used to indicate the rhythm and importance of expression, statements and program structure. So let us see what are the commonly used punctuators of Python. They are single quote, double quote, this hash symbol and then backslash, then we have left parenthesis, then we have right parenthesis and open bracket, closed bracket, curly braces we have, and then we have at symbol, comma, and then we have colon, then we have dot, acute symbol and then equal symbol. So all these are some of the most commonly used punctuators of Python. So we have learned what are operators and punctuators. Let us recapitulate now. We have learned about operators. Operators are tokens that trigger some computation or action when it is applied to variables and other objects in an expression. We have learned about two kinds of operators. They are unary operators. Unary operators are those operators that require only one operand to operate upon. And also we have learned about binary operators. These binary operators are the operators that require two operands to operate upon. In binary operators, we have learned about arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, comparison operators, and also we have learned about bitwise operator, membership operators. So all these are the binary operators of Python, and also we have learned about the other token, punctuators. So punctuators are the symbols that are used in a programming language to organize the sentence structure and also to indicate the rhythm and emphasis of statements, expressions and program structure. So we have come to the end of this session. In this video, we have learned about operators and punctuators of Python. In the coming session, we will learn about the structure and components of a Python program. Until then, bye from Irene. Stay tuned.